Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I'm going to show you how to make a sweet, icy, frothy coffee drink, kind of like a frappuccino, a coffee frappuccino, using 2 pantry ingredients only. And those ingredients are instant coffee and sweetened condensed milk. Alright, so let the journey begin. Alright, so I have 5 ice cubes here, so you can kind of see how big they are. And what I'm going to do is add a heaping spoonful. It's going to be about 2 to 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. Alright, you just pour it right over the ice. Alright, and it really doesn't take a lot of this condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk, to flavor. And then about a tablespoon of coffee, and this will be equal to 3 cups of coffee because each teaspoon is equal to 1 cup of coffee, caffeine wise. So with this I'm going to add like about 1/3 of a cup of water. And now what I'm going to do is blend this together. Alright. Gonna get loud. Let me turn this off. Alright, so let's go ahead and pour this out. You have an icy, frothy drink. And you can make it to your liking. If you want it sweeter and creamier, just add more sweetened condensed milk. If you want it stronger, just add more dry roasted coffee or instant coffee. Well, I call it is dry roasted and instant. So that's how you do it. Alright. Man, this stuff is so good. I almost forgot to tell you. Thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, share this video, and make sure to stay safe and make sure to wear a mask. Thank you for stopping by. See you next time.